In this course, you will master Unity 6 and C# programming language from basics to advanced. We will create two games in Unity with C# coding. One will be a 2D platformer game and another one will be an amazing 2D endless runner game. More than 100 of lectures and plenty of assignment you will get with in details explanation, logic implementation and much more. You will able to make game for mobile, PC, even for your custom website. I will teach you how to upload your game on a website, basically on itch.io type website. So this course will be a complete package for you, so you don't need to purchase any other courses on Udemy. In Unity, I will teach you about what is a game object, components, animation transition, how to work with UI in Unity, and how you can add audio to your game, and many other things in Unity 6. Also, we will have a look at C# programming language such as classes, function or methods, loops, variables, start and update function, how to call a function, and much more in C# coding. So if you want to make your first game in Unity 6 and you are a beginner who don't have a single bit of game development understanding and don't have any programming experience before, then this course is absolutely for you. So take this course now and make your first game.